Do you want to see only friends posts on Facebook? You can view friends-only posts on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to see only friends posts on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Seeing only friends-only posts on Facebook allows you to prioritize updates and content shared by people you know personally, and maintain closer connections within your friends' social circle. By selecting the option to view only friends' posts, you can stay updated on important updates, photos, videos, and other content shared by your friends. To see only your friends' posts on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look for the three horizontal lines icon located in the top right corner of the screen. On iPhone devices, this icon appears in the bottom right corner. Tap on this icon to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see various options such as Feed, Events, Marketplace, etc. Look for the option Feeds and tap on it. After tapping on Feeds, you'll see a list of options including All, Favorites, Friends, Groups, and Pages. Tap on Friends to filter your feed to show posts only from your friends. Once you've selected Friends, your newsfeed will update to display posts exclusively from your friends. You'll see updates, photos, videos, and other content shared by people in your friends list. Now, you can scroll through your newsfeed here to view posts from your friends. This will exclude posts from pages and groups you're following but aren't friends with. By following these simple steps, you can see updates and posts from your friends only in the Facebook app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.